And like I showed you guys everything. I showed you guys my upsell. We scaled this one store, one product to $34,000. We've made it, episode 10. Things are rolling, things are going well, and I'm excited to show you guys the results we got. Now it's the 6th of September, a day has gone by since the last episode, and I'm going to show you guys the results. Before we get to the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below. Follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. But let's get right into the video. What I'm doing now in this video is I'm launching more retargeting ads. In the last video, you saw me sort of launch those retargeting ads using the best performing video. But in this video, I go ahead and use photo retargeting ads. Like, look how beautiful this image is. Like, it's just a simple image that's retargeting, and it's like, look at it, like I love it's so beautiful. Look at this. And the reason why I want to do an image ad, because the video, there's some different placements where the video can't be used as retargeting, so I want to use images to take its place when the video cannot be used. So that's the point of this image retargeting. I'm going to add these ads into the 001 page view, no add to cart. I also created more retargeting ads. I did 3-second view, no 95% view or view content. I did 95% view, no view content. I did add to cart, no purchase. So as you can see, I sort of went a bit crazy and I launched more retargeting ads. I'm showing the product again to people who've seen the video but haven't clicked through, and that's very important. But yeah, I'm showing you guys literally everything. So I duplicated these image retargeting ads into all the retargeting ad sets. While I'm waiting, let's go back to the campaign. As you can see, we have 13 purchases. We spent $333, and we're getting very cheap cost per clicks. One of the retargeting campaigns, add to cart no purchase, has a purchase at $1.30, which is insane. We're getting ad sets that have 2 purchases. We still have the original 10 interest ad sets plus 4 retargeting ad sets. And I haven't killed anything. A lot of people would have killed a lot of ad sets by now, but sort of, I believe on letting ad sets run to optimize. Like, it takes at least 4 days for ad to properly optimize. So that's why I'm leaving these for so long. A lot of people would have killed these ad sets very early on, so I'm letting each one run to at least $40, even though that's way past my break-even point. But this is sort of what I recommend. If you don't have the budget, kill your ads when you have expensive add to cart, expensive cost per clicks. But if you have the budget, let your ad sets run for at least 4 days. But as you can see, we're profitable. Our ROAS is 1.33. I have a high profit margin on these products, so I'm still sort of break even, but making a small amount of profit, which is good because everything here is in Australian dollars, remember. I went ahead and actually invited my VA, my virtual assistant, and she goes ahead and manages my customer service and order fulfillment. As you can see, apps, I only have 2 freaking apps. Like, I'm making sales with 2 apps. That's all you need. You only need 2 freaking apps. Now I'm going to open up one-click upsell. Now we're on the home page. Let me show you guys our sales so far. I'm refreshing. You see the ad sets that are getting sales. Some are pretty profitable, some only have 1, some have 0, but the ROAS are quite high on some of the ad sets. And as you can see, today we already got 2 sales. This week, literally we started at the beginning of this week, and we're at like $439 in 4 days, which is insane. Yesterday we peaked at like 170, so it's been a good day. And look how cheap the cost per landing page views are. They're like 14 cents. It is because these are worldwide ad sets. By the way, look how well worldwide ad sets are going. People think you have to do e-packet countries if they exclude third world countries. I excluded nothing and I just did straight worldwide, and look how well it performed. I'm going to also break it down by country to show you guys the countries that we're getting sales for. Check this out. We're getting sales from India, United States, Turkey, Spain, Puerto Rico, South Africa, like Egypt, like French Guiana, like a bunch of random countries, which is why I do worldwide. seems like Instagram is performing the best so far, so I'm going to be launching new ad sets straight to Instagram based on this data. I'm just sort of breaking down the data that I basically paid for. Placement. Only been using newsfeed so far. Now I'm going to go into ads, and now with enough sort of data, I want to see which is the best performing ads. And as you can see, it's pretty evident, like the ad with the black and white image of the watch, that's the best performing ad. So now I'm going to transition all my ad sets that have 3 different ad testing to that one ad that I know is performing the best. And that's why you want to split many different thumbnails, many different ad copies. And if you guys have the time, many different videos as well. As you can see, I went ahead and created 3-second view, 10-second view, 50% view, 75, 95% view. And you know, we have a decent amount of audience size. Like I already have 1,000 plus worth of 95% views, and that's enough to do lookalike audiences. The page views in the past 14 days are still below 1,000 and pretty small. So I'm going to go ahead and create 95% lookalike audiences. So this is scaling, like we're getting into the juicy part for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and select 95% view, 360 glide. Countries, I'm going to select all countries. I'm going to create worldwide lookalike audiences. This is a strategy that I sort of came up with. I don't see anyone else using, but literally worldwide lookalike audiences, they do insanely well, and I don't see anyone do this. So I highly recommend you to give this a try. Create audience. Now I want to do 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, all the way up to 10%. So the first one I did 6, 1 to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, all the way up to 5 to 6. Now I'm doing 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. And that gives us 10 lookalike audiences for worldwide based off the 1,495% views we have. So now I'm getting into like hard scaling. Like I'm going to go ahead and create 10 ad sets for all 10 lookalike audiences. I'm duplicating the best one, best ad set with 3 purchases. It doesn't really matter, but you know, I like to feel that if I duplicate the best ad sets, that sort of bestness will translate over. But I'm going to name it 002 worldwide lookalike audience, 95% view lookalike audience. Put that in so I know, and I'll just do IG. It's based on the data that I showed you guys previously, how IG mobile newsfeed outperformed Facebook. I'm going to do all my testing on IG mobile. Optimize for purchase. I'm going to go harder than usual, and I'm going to do each ad set at $20. Usually people play it cool and do $5 ad sets for lookalike audiences, but since this is worldwide lookalike audiences and the audience size is like 23 million plus, I might sort of play it risky and do $20 ad sets. And then as you can see, I'm going to do IG feed only. As I mentioned, I'm contemplating right now, but I unchecked Facebook newsfeed just because the stats show that Facebook isn't performing as well as Instagram newsfeed. Also, I'm going to go into my 3 ads. I already know which one performs the best, so I'm going to go ahead and delete the other 2 that isn't performing as well. See, it's constant narrowing, optimizing, looking. See, like when you spend money in the beginning, you're not looking to get profitable. You're not looking to make like a bunch of sales. You're looking to collect data that can use during the scaling phase. Like now I know which of the ads are working better. I know which placements are working better. I know which countries are working better. I'm collecting 95% view data. Like you're paying for data. You're not paying for sales at the beginning. Now, after I perfected that one lookalike audience ad set, I duplicated 9 times. So now I'm going to go ahead and put all the lookalike audiences in each one of those ad sets. So we'll probably fast forward now. If you guys want the raw recording that's unfast forwarded, they're in the description below, basically for free, like insanely cheap. If you guys want the raw recording that isn't sort of sped up or sort of edited, check it out on the description below. And then that's the last ad set. Now I'm going to publish all 20. And that's it. That's me launching all the lookalike audiences. So that's today's video. We went over retargeting. We launched image retargeting ads. 1, we scaled down to the best 1 out of 3 of the ad. 2, we included more retargeting ads. I retarget people who viewed 95% but did not go to the website. I retarget people who watched 3 seconds but didn't watch the whole video, so I'm retargeting them. And then we go into scaling. I show you guys all the sales. We go over how to go ahead and do worldwide lookalike audience scaling. We also go over how to read the stats, how to read the placements, the countries, everything. So things are getting juicy. It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna be more like mind-blowing. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this series so far. Like, this is gonna be a game changer for the YouTube e-com space, and that's my goal with this free series. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this series. If you guys enjoy it, please share it, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, because that's gonna give you an edge on every other viewer. Other than that, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace. Now I'm going to go ahead and fulfill the orders. I'm going to take you guys through the whole process. On top of that, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys how to get affiliate commission on your sales. Like, this is the stuff like I keep secret. Like, this is the stuff people don't show. Like, this is something that I should have kept in a course, but I'm giving it to you guys, okay?